So we know that there's two very important things when making a YouTube video, and that's good audio and good lighting. So today we're gonna take a look at the fanciest studio lighting kit from Amazon. What's up guys, it's Ryan here with Homeoftech, and today we're gonna be taking a look at the fanciest studio lighting kit. One of the problems that I face when recording my videos is not having adequate lighting, as I presently live in an apartment and there's not a lot of natural light. So I decided to get a lighting kit from Amazon, a budget lighting kit that is, to record my videos. So this is a box that the kit came in, and I'm about to open it to see what's on the inside. So stay with me guys. So guys, we got a better knife this time instead of using that razor knife. So we're gonna open the box to see what's on the inside. Alright, so here we go guys. Now we have opened the box, and here's the instruction that is in the box, but we're not gonna really use the instructions anyway because I think we could figure out how to set it up without the instructions. I'm gonna put it over here. And then we have two bulbs. These are non-dimmable 45 watt bulbs, as you can see right here. I'm gonna put them on the table. And then there's two smaller boxes. I guess this is hardware to help set the kit up. I'm gonna put it there. Then we got two umbrellas, which looks like pretty good size to me. I like them. I'm gonna also put them there. Then there's two longer boxes. I assume these are the tripod that everything is gonna be mounted on. I'm gonna also put them right here. Then I'm gonna get this big box out the way. So guys, here you get to see everything that is in that box. And I hope you guys are looking and taking note of the lighting around me right now, because after I set it up, I'm gonna show you guys a view of what the lighting look like with the kit plugged in and without the kit. So you guys just stay tuned. Alright, so guys, as you can see, there are two of everything in the kit, two bulbs. These seem to be the sockets with the plugs on it. There are two umbrellas as well, and two tripods. So I'm gonna set this up right now, and you guys are gonna be able to see how it's set up. So I'm gonna put this one to the side, and we're gonna start with one of the tripods, and we're gonna open it up like so. And then we're gonna need only one of the umbrellas, so we can put the other one to the side. I guess this is the part where we look at the instructions, right? I think not. And then we're gonna insert this piece into here. Unscrew this piece. Having a little bit of difficulty here because there's a screw that goes all the way through. then we tighten that screw down like so. Make sure that everything else is pretty snug. And then we're gonna screw the bulb in. So this is one already set up, and it's also height adjustable, so we can unscrew this and extend it up. But as you can see, it's on the table right now, so it makes no sense to extend it. I'm gonna put this one on the ground, and then I'm gonna set up the other one, and I'm gonna give you guys a view from where the camera is normally set up and from behind me, from behind the chair, so you guys can see what it looks like when these lights are on. Guys, so this is how it looks with the lighting kit. In my opinion, it's perfect, it's pretty bright, and there's no other light turned on in the apartment presently. Just the tool light that comes with the lighting kit. So I'm gonna also give you a refresher of what it looks like without the lighting kit and just the regular lights in the apartment. So guys, this is how it looks from behind the table where I'm normally sitting. It's pretty bright, not too bright, I can handle it, but it's pretty good. And as you can see, the blinds are closed and all the other lights are off, apart from that little LED light that I always have above the camera. So guys, this is how it looked without the lighting kit. With the light that I was using, it was a little bit brighter outside earlier when I started recording. So as you can see, as it get darker, you know, all the lights start to disappear slowly, but I still have a little light in here based on my normal light setup. But with the lighting kit, it's much better. I feel like it's a very good choice, very good budget choice, because it was relatively cheap. So I'm pretty much happy with the choice that I made. But let's go back to the lights, please. So guys, you can see a clear difference with the lighting kit and without the lighting kit. And I really think that this lighting kit is gonna make a big difference in when and how I record my videos. So guys, as I stated earlier, I picked up this lighting kit on Amazon, and it is relatively cheap. It's called the Fancier Studio Lighting Kit, and you guys could pick up any other one because there is a variety of them on Amazon, but I chose this specific one because of my budget, and I like it. The quality is pretty good. It seems sturdy. Not sure how long it will last me, but I guess that's something that I would eventually see. But you guys are also free to comment, let me know what y'all think. And I've also placed a link in the description for this specific lighting kit. So for those who like it and want to purchase it, they could go ahead and do so. So guys, please feel free to subscribe to the channel, click the bell to receive future notification, leave a like if you find this video interesting. And guys, until then, this is your boy Rayan, signing out.